Golden Sun by Lenore Hetrick. Great, glorious, golden sun, shine down on me today. You are the life of all this earth. You and your magic ray. You are the life of bird and plant. All must depend on you. Shine down, great sun, the whole day long. Shine from the heavens blue, and I will welcome your golden rays. For you mean life to me, and you mean happiness and health, strength and energy. Shine down, great sun, on flower and field, and never say goodbye. Forever and ever, give us your light. From out the side blue sky.